Horrific gas explosion in Kentucky, and it was deadly. Flames shooting 300 feet into the air. It was all part of a massive gas pipeline stretching some 9,000 miles. The blast so powerful, families were running for cover. Homes destroyed, the siding melting hundreds of yards away.
It looks like the gas station exploded.
Residents jolted awake just before 1:30 a.m. by an explosion and a loud roar.
We are receiving multiple calls of an explosion in the area.
The 30-inch high-pressure pipeline exploding, sending a massive fireball 300 feet in the air.
It looked like daytime. I mean, you could literally see everything at 1:30 in the morning.
Man, it's crazy.
The 9,000-mile pipeline carries natural gas from the Gulf of Mexico to the northeast.
Just extraordinary images. Alex Perez joins us live from where that pipeline exploded. And Alex, still no word on what caused this?
Yeah, David, the exact cause of all this remains a mystery. You can see all of that charred debris still behind me here. The NTSB will be sending a team of 3 investigators who will be working to pinpoint what exactly triggered all this.